Alright, so today my daughter's letting me watch her love monster. That's Charlie, and he slept by my head all night long. About once every hour he'd reach over and give me a kiss on the cheek. He's just full of kisses. He's just a kissing dog. So my window came in for right here. That will complete my window installation, except for that one up there. And I'm still working on that one. And here is the window. So let me get that installed. Okay, the window's installed and flashed. Whoop whoop. Okay, here's my homemade jig. So I could cut this right here. And this right here will a 1/2 inch plywood will fit into. And this is so that a thin piece of siding will go right here for the side of the cabinet. So that's how you do it when you don't have all the correct stuff. You gotta make a jig. Okay, so I built my base for my closet. There's gonna be 2 of them like this. So what I did was cut that stuff out so it sits in there a little bit. So it sits in there. Then I'm going to get some 1/2 inch plywood for the sides, and then one side won't be exposed, so I'm not going to cover that, and then the other side will be exposed, and I'll cover it with this stuff here. So getting closer. I had to set up my routing table again. Isn't that a dandy? It works. That's all I can tell you. Whew. Gotta do what you gotta do. Money ain't easy. Okay, there it is, finished. Put that ledge right there on there, man. Money ain't for nothing and tricks are for free. So when I get this together, I'll show you how it all goes together. Hang on. Okay, the wife got the insulation up in the ceiling. Almost got 1, 2 there left, and all the back's done. It's looking good. Now she got 2 in the front, 1 in the front there, 2 in the front there. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and keep moving forward.